feel like this side is coming out better than the other side. And this was the side I was scared of the most. Hey. So I am tired AF because I don't know why I'm tired. I literally did nothing but sit at the airport for 5 hours. But I wanted to hop on here and open up this package that I have been sitting on. Well, not literally sitting on, but you know what I mean. I've had this probably for a month, maybe 2 months already, and I have never opened up the box. Yay! I got some more hair. Like, I need more hair, but you know, hair's fun. It's like, it's an accessory. Ooh, so the hair is in here, and she sent a little bottle of hand sanitizer. So cute, love it. Thank you, Jane. And then it comes with a little note. Let's see what the note says. Please enjoy your beautiful Peruca and use code get 10% off. Thank you for being a great client. Enjoy your hair. Love the virgin hair fantasy. And then it also comes with care instructions. Aw, how cute. A little bag. Well, the box is empty now, but this is the box. I save my boxes so I can store them in the closet. Oh my God, is that a fly? Y'all don't understand how I cannot stand flies. Can't stand them. I hate them. So I save my boxes so I can store my hair in the closet. And then she sent a little bag that says, "You are loved by the Virgin Hair Fantasy." So cute, so cute. All right, let's open up the bag. I'm kind of scared, y'all, because this is my first raw Peruca that I have ever purchased. Okay, so it comes in hair net with some paper in the center. This is a raw Peruca, meaning that you're gonna have to cut and lay your baby hairs yourself. But the lace is cut and it has the elastic bands. So, and I'm kind of scared because y'all, I'm not good at all with baby hair, like at all. And now I am putting this bad boy on. I'm putting the band behind my head. I'm pulling the lace forward, pulling this back. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, she's cute. She's giving me kind of retro glam vibes a little bit. You know what I didn't bring? Like some scissors to cut the baby hair. But I'm not a big fan of baby hair. Like, I don't love it. I don't know if I don't love it because I don't know how to do it, or if I don't love it just because I just don't love it. There are combs already attached, but right now I'm just securing it. Securing the comb so I could brush this thing out. Oh, she's cute. She is cute. Oh, look at those bouncy waves. All right, so see this? Like, we have to fix this. You see that? We have to fix that. So all the other Peruca, well, no, I shouldn't say all the others. The ready-to-wear Perucas come with baby hairs and sideburns already cut. The raw Perucas do not. What do I do with that? I'm scared, y'all. Should I go downstairs and get some scissors, or should I just use this box cutter? Wait a minute. I might have some eyebrow scissors in here. Cross your fingers for me. Yes! I don't know what's worse, these or this. We gonna work it out though. All right, I am going to go with the less is more and try not to cut too much all at once, because like cooking, I'd imagine it's the same with Perucas. Once you cut, you can't go back. You know what I'm saying? Like once you add too much salt in a dish, you can't take it out. So I hope I'm not ruining this hair. See, this is why this is my first raw Peruca, because I don't know how to do hair. That's why I wear wigs. And by the way, pardon me if my makeup looks crazy, but I've been sitting in the airport with it all day, eating airport Chinese food and all that good stuff. And now I'm eating Halloween candy. I even bought a baby hair brush. And I don't know how to use this thing. I really don't. But we're gonna work it out. I'm gonna cut a little bit. Let's use some of this. This is hair mousse by the Virgin Hair Fantasy. And let's see what this is looking like now. And she has a class online on how to do baby hair. I just didn't feel like watching it right now. And the class is only like $5. And I think you get to keep it like forever and ever. Let's just lay that down like that. Now let's move over to this side. That's too much. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not. Alright, let's get to cut. Oh, I'm scared because this is my right side and I'm right-handed. I'm scared. Alright, ain't no turning back now. What's done is done. Well, I feel like this side might look better than the other side. Damn, hair is in my nose. There you are, I found you. I feel like this side is coming out better than the other side. And this was the side I was scared of the most. We were doing well. I feel like we took 2 steps forward, 1 step forward, and now 2 steps back. Y'all, this might be my first and last raw Peruca. I will happily pay more to have all of this stuff done for me because I don't know how to do it. I know. Take my black girl card. I don't know how to do it. I mean, I guess that's not bad. All right, let's flip it over. Let's see how she's looking. Come on here. Lay down properly. I think it's cute nonetheless. Hold on, let me adjust my mirror so I can really see. I think it's real cute nonetheless, despite the fact that I can't do baby hair. I might have to wear this one to work. Hold up now. Hold on now. I might be cooking with gas now, y'all. She cute. Ooh, I like it. Oh, damn. I just wish I had my wig makeup kit. It's in my purse because I went to work with it. And I don't feel like getting up to go get it. But a little bit of wig makeup kit right here. You know what? And a little bit of hair mousse too. Hold on. I think she's cute, y'all. She is cute. What y'all think? Here, let's add a little bit of hair mousse because I have a few flyaways here that are getting on my nerves. Hold on, I gotta go look in a big mirror over there. Hold on, stand by, I'll be right back. Ooh, y'all, I like it. She is fun, she is flirty. This is the Raw Body Wave Peruca, and the cost is $295. That's it right there. You will find a link to it definitely on my Instagram. Let me see if I can get it to you on my YouTube. Damn, I really love it. I'm kind of shocked because I don't normally go for this length, but I love it. This is some fun hair. Cute. Anyway, that's all I have to say about that. If you like this hair, please comment down below. Please let me know if you plan on making this purchase. Like I said, it's $295. You cannot beat that with a stick. And she has quad pay, so you don't even have to pay all $295 all at the same time. So you could break it up over 4 payments. So yeah, comment down below if you like this hair. Comment down below to tell me how bad I am at baby hairs. And let me know what you think. Please consider liking this video. Please consider subscribing to this video. And I will holla at y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.